Is it time to buy or sell Ford stock? In this video, we will delve into the intricacies of Ford. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and enable the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 25th of September, 2024, our system has classified Ford as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.59. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock currently sits within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The current 3-month trend forecasts a potential decrease of around 20% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -38.96% to -6.32%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a slight increase of approximately 1.67% over the next year, with a potential return varying between -4.92% and +42.41%. This would correspond to a price range between $9.91 and $14.84 after a year. Our latest daily update for Ford includes the headline, Ford stock downgraded to sell candidate. The Ford stock price experienced a decline of 4.14% on the most recent trading day, which was Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024. It dropped from $10.87 to $10.42. During that trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.62%, reaching a low of $10.32 and a high of $10.59. Although the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains down by 0.29% during that period. The volume of shares traded increased by 35 million on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 68 million shares changed hands, valued at approximately $705.88 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $14.85, while the lowest price was $9.49. Currently, the price is 29.83%, or $4.43, below the 52-week high, and 59.72%, or $15.45, below the all-time high, which occurred on January 13, 2022, when the price reached $25.87. Ford Motor Company recently achieved a significant milestone as the United Auto Workers Union announced that its members at Ford's River Rouge Tool and Die unit reached a tentative agreement. This development could provide short-term stability and positive sentiment around Ford's labor situation, potentially benefiting its stock price as investors view a resolution to labor disputes favorably. However, Ford's stock performance is currently under pressure due to a downgrade from Morgan Stanley, which highlighted significant challenges posed by competitive threats from Chinese manufacturers. Both Ford and General Motors experienced a drop of approximately 5% following this news. Analysts have raised alarms over falling prices and an increasingly competitive landscape, which may dampen investor optimism and lead to continued volatility in the short term. Moreover, Ford is also facing a class action lawsuit set to have a lead plaintiff deadline on the 7th of October, 2024. This legal issue could weigh on investor sentiment and introduce uncertainty around the company's financial performance. In the long term, while labor agreements can bolster operational stability, persistent competitive threats and unresolved legal challenges may hinder Ford's ability to sustain upward momentum in its stock. Investors should closely monitor these aspects, as they could significantly influence Ford's market position in the coming months. Analyst ratings reveal a spectrum of evaluations for F. On Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, Wells Fargo assigned F a sector perform rating coupled with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Morgan Stanley also reviewed F, giving it an equal weight rating along with a downgrade suggestion. Earlier on Thursday, the 22nd of August, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated F as a buy while recommending a hold. On Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, Goldman Sachs provided a neutral rating for F, also suggesting a hold. Lastly, on Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, Morgan Stanley rated F as overweight while recommending a hold. Analysts have assigned Ford stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts also provide a rating of neutral for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Ford. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Ford stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which indicates a more negative outlook. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $10.84 and $10.68. A breakout above either of these points would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, and the stock has since declined by 7.54%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 23 days ago. Bollinger presents a buy signal from 52 days ago. The short-term moving average generated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also produced a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 8 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 36 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ford. Ford finds support from accumulated volume at $10.03, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is typically traded at a substantial volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is perceived to be low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 270 cents, which is a 2.62% change between its high and low. During the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.43%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Ford, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, signaling a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at 50 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ford. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ford is at $10.98. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Ford faces its first support level at $10.03. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Ford from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of September 2024, Thornton John L. executed an insider purchase of 5,367 shares of Ford stock units. On the same day, Hellman William W. completed an insider purchase of 692 shares of Ford stock units. Also on the 3rd of September 2024, Veihmeyer John B. made an insider purchase of 2,185 shares of Ford stock units. On that day, Veihmeyer John B. also conducted another insider purchase of 380 shares of Ford stock units. Additionally, on the 3rd of September 2024, Weinberg John S. executed an insider purchase of 2,034 shares of Ford stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 22.851. In summary, insiders acquired a total of 3,827,148 shares, while selling 2,301,629 shares in these last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Ford stock a good buy? Currently, Ford exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a buy to a sell recommendation since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 26th of September, we anticipate that Ford will open at approximately 2.33 cents and commence trading at $10.44. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.